Hello and welcome. I am Ema. Today we have 10 very functional travel stories for you. These original dialogues cover essential airport situations step by step. We will speak slowly and clearly for beginner English learners at the A1 and A2 levels. Here are our exact topics: checking in and overweight luggage, navigating to security, and security screening procedures. We also have duty-free shopping and handling flight delays. Then we look at ordering food at an airport cafe and requesting a seat upgrade. Finally, we explore boarding the plane, rebooking a missed connection, and getting to the airport hotel. Each dialogue uses simple vocabulary and short sentences to help you practice listening. Let us begin our first conversation right now, today. Hello and welcome to the flight check-in counter today.
Good morning. I want to check my large suitcase.
Please put your heavy suitcase on this black scale.
Oh no, the weight is 28 kilograms right now.
The baggage weight limit is 23 kilograms, sir.
Do I have to pay an extra fee today?
Yes, the overweight fee is exactly $50 today.
Can I repack my bag to avoid that fee?
Yes, you can open your suitcase right here now.
I will take out these two thick, heavy books.
Put them inside your small black backpack instead, sir.
Let us check the bag weight once more now.
Perfect. It is 22 kilograms on the scale.
That is great news. I saved my money today.
May I please see your blue passport right now?
Yes, of course. Here is my passport for trip.
Thank you very much. I see your name here.
Is the flight to the new city on time?
Yes, it is. Here is your official boarding pass.
Which gate do I go to for boarding now?
Please go to gate number 12 very soon today.
Thank you for your excellent help and your patience.
Excuse me, I am totally lost in this terminal.
Hello. How can I help you find your way?
Where is the main security checkpoint for all passengers?
Walk straight down this hall and turn left now.
Is it past the big duty-free perfume shop?
Yes, it is right next to that large shop.
Do I have to take off my leather shoes too, sir?
Yes, please place your shoes in the plastic bin.
Can I bring this open bottle of orange juice?
No, you must discard all large liquid bottles here.
Can I buy fresh water after security check station?
Yes, there are many shops inside the gate area.
Thank you for explaining these basic rules to me.
Do you have your paper boarding pass ready now?
Yes, I have it right here in my hand.
Show that pass to the officer at the entrance.
Is the security line usually very long right now?
It moves very fast today. Do not worry at all.
Great. I will walk to the main checkpoint now.
Have a very good day at the airport today.
Please step forward to the gray security line now.
Hello, I have my black backpack right here today.
Do you have any large electronics inside your bag?
I have a personal laptop, and a small tablet.
Put them in separate plastic bins, please, sir.
Should I keep them inside their soft cases today?
No, take them out of the cases completely now.
Okay, I understand. I am putting them in bin.
Empty all your pockets into the small red tray.
I have some metal coins and my house keys.
Please remove your smartwatch and your black belt.
Everything is in the plastic bin right now, miss.
Push the bins onto the moving black belt now.
Should I walk through the metal detector machine now, miss?
Wait for my green light sign, please, sir.
Okay, I am standing right here and waiting quietly.
Please walk through the metal detector slowly right now.
Did the machine make a loud noise today, miss?
No, it is perfect. You may walk through now.
Where can I collect my personal items right now, miss?
Your bins are coming out on the other side.
Thank you very much for your kind help today.
Hello, welcome to the airport duty-free store today.
Hi, I want to buy a very nice gift.
What kind of product are you looking for exactly?
Can you give me some good recommendations, please?
We have famous French perfume here and Swiss chocolate.
Let us compare the prices of these items today.
The perfume is $60 for one glass bottle.
And how much is that large box of chocolate?
The sweet chocolate is $20 for this box.
Do you have any special store promotions today, miss?
Buy 2 boxes and get 1 completely free now.
That is a very great deal for holiday gifts.
We also have dark sunglasses over there, sir.
No, thank you. I will just take the chocolate.
Excellent choice. Please come to the cash register now.
Can I pay with my international credit card today?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards here now.
Do I also need to show my boarding pass?
Yes, please. I must scan your pass details now.
Here is my boarding pass and my card today.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful trip, sir. Excuse me, is the flight to London delayed today?
Yes, madam. It is delayed by 3 hours now.
Oh no, why is the plane so late tonight?
There is a very bad storm over the ocean.
This delay will impact my next connecting flight today.
Where is your final destination for the journey, friend?
I am flying to Paris after this first flight.
Let me check the computer system for your tickets.
Will I miss my connecting plane to Paris now?
Yes, you will miss that flight for sure, madam.
What are the airline responsibilities in this bad case?
We must rebook you on the next available flight.
Do I have to pay for that ticket change?
No, the new ticket is completely free, madam.
Will the airline give me a food voucher now?
Yes, here is a $15 airport meal coupon.
Where can I use this paper meal coupon now?
You can use it at any airport restaurant here.
Thank you for fixing this difficult situation today, sir.
We are very sorry for the flight delay, madam.
Hello and welcome to the Sky Airport Cafe today.
Hi there. I want to order a hot coffee.
We have many good choices for you this morning.
What is the difference between latte and cappuccino exactly?
A latte has much more warm milk inside it.
I prefer a strong coffee with less milk, miss.
Then you should choose the hot cappuccino right now.
Great. I will take a large cappuccino, please, today.
Can I customize your food order with any snacks?
Yes, I want a fresh chicken sandwich with cheese.
Do you want any onions inside your hot sandwich?
No onions, please. I do not like them at all.
Okay, I will type that food request down now.
How much is total price for the meal today?
The total is exactly $12 right now, sir.
I am paying with cash. Here is the money.
Thank you. Here is your change and paper receipt.
How can I connect to the free airport Wi-Fi?
The password is written on your paper receipt line.
Oh, I see it at the bottom page now.
It is free for 2 hours for all customers.
Wonderful. I can do some work while waiting here.
Hello, I want to ask about my seat today.
Good afternoon. What is your current seat number, ma'am?
I am in seat 32B, a middle seat.
Would you like to switch to an aisle seat?
Yes, please. I do not like middle seats at all.
Let me check the business class availability right now.
Is there an empty seat in business class today?
Yes, we have 2 empty seats over there now.
Can I use my frequent flyer miles for upgrade?
Yes, you need 20,000 miles for this change.
I do not think I have enough miles today.
You can also do a paid upgrade instead, ma'am.
How much is the paid upgrade fee right now?
It is $150 today, ma'am.
That is a bit too expensive for my budget.
I can switch you to a different free seat.
Is the new aisle seat in the economy class?
Yes, it is, and it is completely free today.
Excellent. Please change my seat to that one now.
Here is your new boarding pass for seat 12D.
Thank you so much for your great help today.
You are very welcome. Have a wonderful trip today.
Attention passengers, Flight 42 is ready for boarding now.
Hello. Can you explain how boarding groups work exactly?
I am calling by group letter on your pass.
My boarding pass says Group B today, young miss.
Please wait here. Group A is boarding the plane now.
Okay, I will stand in this line next now.
Now, Group B may step forward for boarding now.
Here is my ticket. I am walking inside plane.
Welcome on board the airplane today, sir. Walk straight.
I need to check the overhead bin space here.
The bin above your row is completely full now.
Where can I put my large green travel bag?
You can use the open bin in row 15.
Okay, I am putting my bag inside it now.
Now please identify your exact seat location today, sir.
My ticket says seat number 14A, young miss.
14A is the window seat on left side.
Great.
I love looking at the white, soft clouds.
Have a very comfortable and nice flight today, sir.
Thank you very much for your excellent direction today.
Hello? My plane arrived late and I missed connection.
I am very sorry to hear that news, madam.
What should I do to get home now, sir?
I am speaking with the agent system right now.
Is there another flight leaving the airport tonight now?
No, there is not. The next flight is tomorrow.
Oh no, I must stay here all night long?
Yes, I will book you on tomorrow's flight now.
Where will I sleep tonight in this big city?
The airline will give you a complimentary hotel room.
That is a relief. Do I pay any money?
No, it is totally free for you today, madam.
Will I receive any meal vouchers for food tonight?
Yes, of course. Here are your hotel and food vouchers.
Thank you very much for fixing this big problem.
The hotel shuttle bus is outside the main terminal.
What time is the new flight tomorrow morning, sir?
It leaves at exactly 9 o'clock in morning.
I will be back at the airport early tomorrow.
Have a very comfortable night at the hotel, madam.
Excuse me, how do I get to airport hotel?
Hello there. The airport hotel is very close here.
Can you please give me the directions there now?
You have two easy options to reach the building.
What is the first option for the walk today?
You can use the covered walkway over there now.
How long does that covered walkway take to walk?
It is a short 10-minute walk from here.
What is the second option for my travel today?
You can take the free hotel shuttle bus outside.
Is the shuttle bus faster than walking path now?
Yes, it takes only 3 minutes by the road.
Where is the exact bus stop for that shuttle?
Go outside door number 4 and wait there now.
I think I will take the free shuttle bus.
That is a good choice with heavy bags, ma'am.
Can I schedule return trip for tomorrow morning early?
Yes, speak to the front desk at the hotel.
Thank you for your excellent help today, my friend.
Enjoy your stay at the airport hotel tonight, ma'am.